It's here, and this video is going to be a short review of macOS 10 Lion. So it was just released a few days ago, I think. I've used it for a total of about 1 or 2 weeks, I think, because I used one of the developer previews, and I've also got a preview video of the developer preview. Want to see that? One of the main features in macOS 10 Lion is full screen apps. So not all applications are full screen, but basically what this means is that it is easier now for developers to make the apps full screen enabled. It was possible before in earlier macOS 10 versions, but it wasn't as easy to do it, I think, and there was probably more bugs and things doing it, and you needed more code and stuff. So anyway, most Apple applications are full screen enabled, for example, Terminal. So if you press this, then as you can see, it becomes full screen. So you can exit full screen using this button here. And also, another feature is there are many new multi-touch gestures now. So if you swipe up with 4 fingers, then you get mission control. So basically, these are all your spaces. Unfortunately, all of your spaces are horizontal, so that means that you can't have like a space under desktop 1, which can be quite annoying, because before in Snow Leopard you could use Control down or Control right and you'd go to 2 different spaces, so it was quite a nice feature in Snow Leopard, but you can get used to it after a bit. So no dashboard counts as one of the spaces, but you can disable this feature in system preferences, like some of the new Lion features. As you can see, if I can go into a space using this, or I can close a space also. So you have to put your mouse over space for a few seconds to be able to close it, but full screen apps you can't close. Terminal's got quite a nice background and full screen, but the resolution is quite low there. So when you exit or enter full screen, the transition of the resolution is quite bad. It can get a bit annoying, but you can get used to it after a bit. Anyway, a lot of applications are broken in macOS 10 Lion, like in any Mac upgrades, and also scrolling is reversed. Oh, by the way, if you use Logic Express or Logic Pro, you have to update to version 9.1.4. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to post another tutorial showing how to get earlier versions of Logic Express or Pro to work on macOS 10 Lion without upgrading. There's a new feature called AirDrop. I'm not going to demo this feature. It's not really so amazing. There's been similar features in macOS 10 before, but it's a lot simpler now because part of the reason that macOS 10 Lion was made was to make things simpler, which is quite annoying for the pro users, but for people who don't really need to use programs like Final Cut, it's okay. So anyway, I think Final Cut Pro and Express works fine in Lion. The Finder has also been updated. The icons have been updated. Some of the UI has been updated. Also, things like loading bars, buttons and things have been changed also in Lion. For example, we'll go to Applications and press space, and we'll go to Quick Look and Address Book something. This has also been updated, so it's white, and you can also open from here. You can go to full screen, or you can, not sure what this does, but it looks like it doesn't do anything. Maybe it just changes the size. Okay. Anyway, scrolling is more like iOS now, so basically it's just, if you want to scroll up, then you have to scroll down, basically. It can get a bit hard to get used to, but after a day or two, you can get used to it normally. It's probably Apple's plan to make people not want to use Windows again, because using Windows will be hard after using Lion. It's quite easy to get used to, though, using both scrolling methods. You can also go back here like in Safari or Firefox or new web browser. I don't think there was this feature in Find before. Also, by scrolling sideways, looks like you can't go back using multi-touch anymore, which can be a bit annoying. Anyway, there's another feature called Launchpad. So there is a there is a multi-touch gesture for this, but it's a bit hard to explain how to do the multi-touch gesture. Anyway, you can see all of the applications here. You can scroll like an iOS. There's no search or anything here, but there's basically folders, but you can only remove applications that you download through the App Store, which can be a bit annoying sometimes, but it's probably because some applications have hidden data and stuff, and places like App Support and Launchpad can't know all of these locations, because it can be anywhere. Anyway, you can drag and drop things to go into folders, which can be quite useful. So the folders are separate from the applications folder, but if you remove an app from here, then it's completely uninstall it. But you can still get it from the App Store again. You can use a multi-touch gesture to go out of this, I think. But I'm not really sure what it is, and just randomly guessing it. Another feature is the Mac App Store. It has existed before on Snow Leopard with an update, but I think there's a bit of a newer version, but it's not really worth showing. Also there's something called Resume. Whenever you shut down your Mac, and it has Lion, when you turn it back on, all of your applications reopen and all of your windows and everything reopen. There's a new feature also called autosave of versions. So if I open up TextEdit here, as you can see, if you go to File, Save, then you can save it wherever you want, but once you've saved it, you can only save a version, you can't do save as, really, which can be a bit annoying. For example, slowly removing the save as, but you can duplicate it anyway though, so it's kind of okay though. So TextEdit has also been updated. It's quite a nice update for TextEdit. So this is rich text, so you can still use plain text. But it's probably best to use plain text is to use nano commands in terminal. Autosave can be quite a good feature because you don't need to worry about losing many hours of work, but I think it's a bit like multitasking. Developers of applications have to manually add it to the application, so I don't think apps like iWork will automatically have it, but there might be an update to something with them. I'm not sure about that though, because I haven't tested it though. The Mail app for Mac has been updated also. Not really many differences, and Safari is also full screen finally. So there's little more differences, not a large amount of differences, but I mean neither of those. But for example, if you right click on a folder, click Arrange by, you can go to Date Added. This is an excellent feature. Stacks have had it, but this wasn't in Snow Leopard, and it's quite annoying for me, because it's quite really useful on download folders and things like that, or finding corrupt files and things like that. So it's a very nice feature. And also, I'm not sure if this is a bug or something, but Always Open an Icon View does not work properly anymore, but it still works in DMG, so there's also Browse an Icon View now. So it's a bit different. And there's also Sort By and Arrange By, so if you arrange by Date Added, then as you can see it says like today, and you can scroll by these applications. I forgot the name of this, but also you can go to application category, so this is quite useful. Mac OS X hasn't had it before, I don't think, or you can arrange by things like label or name, or just arrange by own none. You can't use Pinch to zoom applications and folders anymore. It's quite a nice feature because it was quite annoying sometimes. So anyway, if anyone wants to ask for a review for any more features, then please just leave a comment requesting that. I'll make a review as soon as possible. I mean, new video. I've shown all of the main features, but there are many minor features. I think Apple says there's something like 250 new minor features. So anyway, thanks for watching this video review. Please check out my please rate and comment this video, and please check out my different videos and tutorials and reviews, and please subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching.